Loud criticism from the public and law enforcement as some Hoosiers believe some Marion County judges have become just too lenient.
The judge who sentenced IMPD officer Breanne Leith's killer has faced big-time backlash. Thousands signed a petition trying to remove Judge Mark Stoner from the bench.
He announced his retirement this year, but can you recall a judge in Marion County? Fox 59's Angela Ganote shows us how you can remove a judge.
This is a disgrace. It's a miscarriage of justice.
The judgment just completely made no sense.
I'm shocked and disappointed.
You can kill people and say, well, I had a bad day.
The judge, quite frankly, should be ashamed of himself.
Fast and furious criticism to Marion County Superior Court Judge Mark Stoner when he announced the punishment for the man who killed IMPD officer Breanne Leith.
I'm disappointed.
We heard from the Fraternal Order of Police.
This is a travesty of justice.
The Indiana State Police Alliance spoke out. The Indianapolis Police Merit Board and thousands of citizens signed a petition demanding Judge Stoner step down.
We'll have had longer control and have protected the community longer this way than if I had given the maximum sentence.
They accuse a longtime judge of mishandling Elias Dorsey's case. The prosecutor wanted a sentence of 63 years, but Dorsey got 25 years and 15 years of probation. Specifically, Dorsey was found guilty but mentally ill of 6 charges. Judge Stoner is allowing him to serve those sentences concurrently, not consecutively.
15 years.
And he reduced a criminal confinement charge from a level 3 felony to a level 6.
He has to look every officer in this city in the eye from here on out and know that he did that.
Another one of Stoner's cases caught heavy criticism too. Daisha Lacey admitted she smothered her infant daughter, but Judge Stoner found her not guilty. He said Lacey was a bad mom, but prosecutors didn't prove she intentionally harmed her newborn. He thought they charged her with the wrong crime.
We don't oversee lawyers.
While the public criticized, the Bar Association defended.
First, I think that the Marion County judiciary is top-notch. I would grade them an A, overall an A.
Lee Christie is the president-elect for the Indianapolis Bar Association. He and other members responded to Stoner's criticism with this letter detailing how they believe the public was misled about the Dorsey case.
You're forever changed.
He said Judge Stoner followed sentencing guidelines.
Judge Stoner's sentence was within the guidelines for what Dorsey was convicted of, what the jury found him guilty of, and where he was allowed to sentence him.
Still, what can you do if you disagree, if you believe Stoner or any other judge is abusing power, is too lenient, or not following the law? First, you can file an official complaint. The Judicial Nominating and Qualifications Commission looks at complaints against judges, and Lee is also a current member. He says between 75 and 200 complaints come in every quarter, but most are issues that would be considered for appeal, not a specific complaint against a judge. This committee can vote to file charges against a judge to have them removed. Lee says he has voted to do that one time. Second, voters can vote not to retain a judge, and here's how that works. In 2017, the General Assembly formed a committee that helps choose judges for Marion County. So while Marion County voters don't elect judges, they do vote if they'll retain one. For each judge, that happens every 6 years. And this November, voters will decide the fate of 18 judges up for retention.
So it really is a good bipartisan program to put the best judiciary for the residents of Marion County, in my opinion.
That is a disgrace.
While much criticism is focused here on judges, Lee believes there's a greater need for a robust discussion on sentencing guidelines and what individuals can be charged with. He said ultimately, Hoosier lawmakers make those decisions. Angela Ganote, Fox 59 News.
Now, 8 judges up for retention have volunteered to be interviewed in advance of Election Day, and you can attend those interviews June 11th. We have more information on our website at fox59.com.